In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can copy a Discord server. This process is really straightforward and simple to do, so let's just get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do when you log into Discord, you might be on the screen right here. Just go into the server that you want to copy. Now, if you want to copy someone else's server, I will be doing a separate video on that, but this will be how to copy your server so you can quickly get a template and then use it. So over here at the top is your server name with a drop down arrow. Click on the drop down arrow and then click on server settings. And right here it says server template. Click on server template. And it says everything will be copied. Templates will copy channels and channel topics, roles and permissions, default server settings, but it won't copy the messages, members or bots, and the icons. So we can just give this a template a title. So I'll just write test, and you can give it a description if you want. I won't be doing that. And then you can click on generate template. Now you get a template link, so you can copy this link and then you can go out of it. Now to create the new server, you can simply just copy that link and paste it into your server and press enter. And here's the test server. You can click on view template, and now you have the option here, and you can see here channel, and you can see a template channel. So we got everything the same. So we got all the channels, all the voice channels in that. We got all the permissions just like it was. You can click on create, and you can see here it's created a separate server, and you can start using the server, adding some members, adding some bots and things like that. So that is how you copy a Discord server. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.